So Manisha, what is menstruation? Periods क्या है?
See, it is the regular flow of blood and the mucosal tissue from the inner lining of the uterus through the vagina. इसे नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में बोलते हैं माहवारी या मासिक धर्म या पीरियड्स, और ये महिलाओं में होने वाली एक नॉर्मल फिजिकल एक्टिविटी है।
तो ये सिर्फ लड़कियों को ही क्यों होती है?
लड़कियों में ये सिर्फ इसलिए होती है क्योंकि लड़कियों के जो रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन्स होते हैं दे डिफर फ्रॉम दैट ऑफ बॉयज।
मनीषा, पीरियड्स किस उम्र में शुरू और बंद हो जाते हैं?
So there is no exact age as such, but ये इंडिविजुअल टू इंडिविजुअल वेरी करती है। एंड जो आमतौर पर जो मेनाकी या फिर फर्स्ट पीरियड की एज होती है वो होती है 11 से 12 साल, एंड मेनोपॉज यानी जब आपके पीरियड्स परमानेंटली बंद हो जाते हैं उसकी एज होती है 45 to 50 ईयर्स।
जब हम बात करते हैं मेंस्ट्रुअल हाइजीन की, तो मेंस्ट्रुअल हाइजीन को कैसे मेंटेन करना होता है?
See, there are a few points about it, like use proper method of sanitation, be it your sanitary napkins or pads, be it your tampons, be it your menstrual cups. जो भी मेथड आपने प्रोटेक्शन के लिए यूज़ किया है आप फ्रीक्वेंटली उसे चेंज कीजिए। आप अपने प्राइवेट पार्ट को वॉश कीजिए, प्रॉपर मेथड ऑफ वॉशिंग यूज़ कीजिए। आपने जो भी यूज प्रोटेक्टिव मेथड है आपका उसको आप प्रॉपरली डिस्पोज कीजिए। बिवेयर ऑफ द रैशेस, ठीक है। चूज वन protection method at a time and take bath regularly.
What does a period feel like?
See, there are two aspects to it. Like one is the emotional side and the other is the physical side. So emotional side में we feel very cranky and weird सा, and to the physical side it's like we feel very bloated. Headache होना, lower back pain होना, lower abdomen pain होना, tired feel होना, mood swings आना, ये सब चीज़ें।
क्या ऐसा कोई काम है जो आप ड्यूरिंग पीरियड्स नहीं कर सकते हो?
No, not really.
मनीषा, does having period hurts?
Yes, it hurts, and the pain during periods is known as dysmenorrhea, and it ranges from dull and annoying to very severe and extreme, and the pain occurs in the lower abdomen and lower back, and it starts from 1 to 2 days before periods and lasts for 3 to 4 days.
जब हम बात करते हैं मेंस्ट्रुअल क्रैम्प्स की, तो मेंस्ट्रुअल क्रैम्प्स के होने का कारण क्या होता है?
See, menstrual cramps tends to begin after ovulation when the egg is released from the ovary and it travels down the fallopian tube, and periods के टाइम पे यूट्रस की इनर लाइनिंग पे prostaglandins नाम के हार्मोन्स start to form and they trigger the process of pain, and prostaglandins cause muscle contractions and cramps.
What do you do to treat the menstrual cramps?
See, बहुत सारी medicines are available in the market and we take them, but we should not use much of them as they may cause addiction and later in life can cause menstrual irregularity. Instead, we should do some exercising, as physical activity is good during menstruation as it helps for menstrual cramps and emotional stir.
Now tell our viewers about the role of physiotherapy in relieving menstrual pain.
Walking. Forget everything else and go out for a brisk walk. Not only it is going to help you reduce pain and cramps, but it also helps to get rid of depression that is common during this time. You should take a pace that suits you rather than worrying about briskness and calories. Aerobics. Light aerobic exercises are good for you. Avoid intensive exercises that lay emphasis on the abs or stress on the uterus, but light step workout, dancing or even light jogging can be done. If you feel pain or have heavy bleeding, you may want to rest the days you are not feeling up to it. Yoga. Many kinds of yoga postures provide relief in cramps during periods and also help in regularizing bleeding. Avoid postures like extreme back bending or ones that cause too much contracting of the abs. But apart from these, you can opt for standing and sitting poses that helps loosen the muscles. TENS. TENS also have positive effects on menstrual pain. TENS uses the pain gate mechanism that controls the pain at spinal cord by stimulating sensory fibers that can control menstrual pain by suppressing the sensitizing action of prostaglandins and spinal cord to control menstrual pain. Kinesio tape. It It has been shown that menstrual pain is caused by increased secretions of endometrial prostaglandin. Prostaglandin plays the important role of sensitizing pain in the spinal cord. Let's see the video how to apply kinesio tape.
This instruction describes how to apply kinesiology tape to treat menstrual cramps. You will need 3 eye-shaped tapes 20 centimeters in length. Step 1. Apply the first tape 5 centimeters under the navel. Apply the second tape perpendicular to the navel and the first tape. Tension of both tapes is 10%. Lay the anchors without stretch. Step 2. Apply the third tape on the lower back at the level of the third lumbar vertebrae with about 10% stretch. Apply the anchors without stretch. Thank you.
सो फ्रेंड्स, ये कुछ एक्सरसाइजेस थी जो कि आप पीरियड्स के दौरान कर सकते हैं. होप इट हेल्प्स यू.
And hashtag for the lazy squad, use heating pads and a lot of rest.
So if you like the video,
Hit like and subscribe.
Physio